Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use multiple text styles in Snapchat. So let's start. First of all, you have to log into your Snapchat account and then go to your camera option. Click a picture or upload a picture. It's totally up to you. I am just taking a picture, and after taking a picture you just see the text option on the top right corner of your screen. So simply click on that and just type a text and choose a style which you want. So I want to style this one, and then you can adjust it as well. And after done, you just tap on the screen and then again click on text option and then again type something, and here you just select another style. So I want to select this one and then again tap on the screen. So that's it. Now you will be able to use multiple text styles in Snapchat. So I hope this video is beneficial for you. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.